GRAFMETAL is a product for marking, engraving, and cutting metals with low-power CO2 lasers. Low-power CO2 lasers do not mark, engrave, or cut metals because the laser wavelength is reflected. The solution is to use the GRAFMETAL paste, which absorbs CO2 wavelengths and reacts to form a solid layer. After applying the paste, you just need to burn the pattern with a laser and remove the residual paste with a paper towel. GRAFMETAL is effective at marking most metals like steel, stainless steel, galvanized steel, copper, brass, aluminum, or zinc. Steel engraving effect is available if you use more laser power. If you use even more power, cutting thin steel sheets is also possible. Currently, it's the most economical laser marking paste in the world. Let's see how it works. Our goal is to mark a piece of steel with defined dimensions. 0.5 mm thickness is too much to cut it with GRAFMETAL, so we need to do this mechanically. There are 3 cheap ways to cut metal sheets, including steel. Those are metal guillotine, which is good at making long, straight cuts, electric shears, which is fast and effective, produces nice edges, and scissors for cutting metal, super cheap and easy, good for small pieces. And this is what you can see in the background. There are other ways to cut metal like laser or plasma CNC machining, but it is much more expensive. Now it's time to remove the protective foil. Now we should apply the GRAFMETAL paste to the metal piece. There are 2 methods of doing so. The first one is a paintbrush. It's very cheap since you apply a very thin layer of the product, but you get worse accuracy, which is a result of leaving streaks of very thin layer of paste, which you can see in the video. The second method is based on a spatula or a trowel. You get a very high accuracy, but the method is less economical. That's because you deposit a thick and uniform layer of paste on the metal surface. It's important to know that the unburned portions of GRAFMETAL paste can be used again after laser marking. And for both methods, drying is not needed. The layer is ready for marking as is. Now it's time to burn the desired pattern with a CO2 laser. Remember to keep the laser cover closed for your own safety. Metal can reflect some part of the laser light, which can damage your hull. Now the sample is ready. We need to remove the residual paste with a paper towel, a cloth, or something similar to get a clean surface. Be cautious not to cut yourself with sharp metal edges. And this is the final product.